All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make $500 a day over the last 7 days. I'm going to break it all down for you, the strategy that was used with affiliate marketing, the product that I sold, and let's just dive right in. So if you actually take this, I made about 3,500 and you divide that by the span of about 7 days, it's going to give you around $500 per day. Now you can see on the chart right over here, we made 104. I'm filming this at 9 a.m. in the morning. The product launch is over and we're still bringing in sales. We got $144 today. This is just today, early in the morning. Already made 3 sales right over there. But you can see as we go across the timeline, there was just 21 that day, right? Not that exciting. But then it ramped up $93, and we had some really big closes. We had a $460 day right there. Then we ended with an almost $900 day right there by 128, and then we've again $172. So this is actually, I need to push refresh, I think, right there. And I'm going to kind of break this down for you. So let's go back over here and I'm going to go to affiliates and I'm going to go into the affiliate dashboard right here. And then I'm going to go over here and go like this. And that's perfect. So I'm going to go like this. So it was about February 3rd to February 12th, just so we can capture all the sales right over here. And you can see $2,600 right over here to the right. And you can see all these products right here. And if you add them up, it's about 2,500 or more that was from Clickly. This software called Clickly. It's a thumbnail maker for YouTube. So to break that down, another level I'm going to show you is we're going to come over here. I'm going to go in and just show you the contest and what's possible when you get into affiliate marketing like this right over here. Now, let me go over here. I'll show you 2 of them. One, this is the overall contest where it was, this was a big launch, $83,000, 821 sales were made right here. And you can see that yours truly, David Mills, right there. And this is just a show out of all these great affiliate marketers, people that have way bigger email lists. We're talking buy your email list. They've been doing launches on JVZoo for years, and they have massive tens of thousands of people on their email lists. And I literally do not have that at all, not even close to that. And you can see that we ended up way up here at the top, number 2, under all these other people that launch and have a lot more marketing power than I do. We can go back over here and show you the contest that I actually won. And go over here and search for this real quick. So we had the closing contest right here, a $2,000 prize pool. We'll go click on this right here. So almost $13,000 in sales. We ended with a bang right here, just nothing but sales right after there. We kind of owned the leaderboard. And when you come down here and you look, we actually got first place out of all these people. So a lot of these big launches, they have a beginner prize contest, a secondary or like a mid launch prize contest, and then a close. And I was able to get first place on the close right here, $1,000 earnings right there. So enough about kind of the earnings I've just showed and proved to you, right? I'm going to show you the actual strategy. But before we get into that, if you want to learn how all this actually works and you want to learn from me and others in the community as well, but somebody that's actually out there in the trenches and doing this and can actually show you like how to get your content plan, how to launch and promote products. It doesn't have to be JVZoo or Warrior Plus. This works in several other niches and markets and so forth. You don't have to be like I said, you don't have to be launch jacking or selling JVZoo products or anything like that. But I lead off with proof in here, how you can build a real sustainable business online. I'd love for you to go and check out the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. The link will be below. Just for the next few days, this is $27 per month, and then it's going to be going to $47 locked in per month. I want to work with serious people that are willing to invest in themselves and that want to show up on a daily basis and actually start changing their lives. If you have the desire within to actually build a real business that means something, and you're willing to put 1 to 2 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week, that's all it really takes to start building something that is meaningful, that can help you be more empowered in your life, and eventually quit that 9 to 5, fire that boss, stop the job commute, and start living a life of freedom and flexibility, then come and join the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, right? So how did this actually work? Well, it starts over here by this site called Munchai. There's a couple other ones as well, but this is just the one that I use. It's been around a really long time. And what you'll end up doing is you'll come through over here, right? And we'll go over here and I'll just go to, the just launched, and I'll go to more. You're going to go and find products, or you're going to, I recommend having a short list of people that you like their products. that they're quality products, that you know when you promote them, that they have a customer support, they're going to take care of their customers, and you're not going to have problems with that, right? And overall, the quality of the product is good and does what they say and claim on the sales pages that it does, right? So that's something first and foremost. So we had this product launched on February 5th, right? About, what is that, like 8 days ago or something like that. The launch is over officially, but let's just say you click on this and you're like, oh, okay, this is the product. And eventually when you're like kind of that status like me, you're a top 10%, top 5% on both platforms affiliate, you're going to actually get these people to reach out to you. So it's actually kind of really, really awesome because you no longer have to worry about getting access to the product. You can actually go out and people will, you'll have to turn down a lot of people because they'll be coming after you to help them promote their products. And you'll have to actually say no, because you'll have to be very selective if you care about your audience and so forth. And I teach you that in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program as well. You don't just want to promote crap. You also don't want to promote everybody's stuff. You want to really be selective, but I knew that this was going to be good, right? So they reached out to me, but again, when you're getting started, you're just going to go and find these products and you're going to reach out. This is Tim Verdeau, one of the, if not the top affiliate on JBZoo. And then he gets developers that actually work with him and he helps launch their products and so forth. So but this is what the JV page will look like. There's going to be $10,000 on prize money earns, 50% across the entire funnel. And that is the beauty of this as well, that they went and spent thousands of dollars on this piece of software, which is awesome. Really, really awesome YouTube thumbnail maker. I tested it. I'm very knowledgeable of software and so forth. And this was the best one that I have seen. And surprisingly, it's a JVZoo product, but it was actually beating all these other monthly subscriptions and beating ChatGPT and Nano Banana and all that because they got it right. They did something very, very right with this software. So you're going to come through here. You're going to look at all these amazing thumbnails. It's just mind blowing, right? Software, the dashboard, everything worked. There was no bugs. It was just a great product. So then that's kind of step number one. You really want to be able to get behind the product if you're going to promote it the way that I'm going to teach you right now. So let's go and I'm going to show you how we did this. Okay. So you're going to go here, you're going to click on request affiliate link. It's going to take you over there. I've already got my affiliate link right there. You can go and check out the vendor's profile and so forth, all kinds of good stuff. You can add bonuses that are automatically delivered when someone purchases the product, which is awesome. You can see there's an affiliate contest. You can go look at the sales page. A lot of information on this page, right? But there's going to be a little box that says, hey, approve, and you'll have a little box that you can, leave a note of how you're planning, especially if you're new. You're going to want to do that and say, hey, the YouTube channel, I don't have a lot of traffic, but it's only going to be organic, real traffic. I've got a small email list, whatever that's going to be. You're probably going to get approved if you're just honest and you're not going to, send spam traffic, then you'll be able to. And then one secret hack, if you're having a hard time getting approved, and I only recommend promoting one product when you're a beginner, one product, because of the way that I did this and how powerful it was, I only recommend one really good product and get behind that and promote the heck out of it for an entire week, for the entire launch. That's what's changed about this kind of affiliate marketing game, is that you no longer want to just promote a new product every single day. Your list will just get completely burnt out. You want to get behind and really solidify a good product selection, and then you want to promote it throughout the launch. And that's what I recommend. So one of the hacks is just wait when it comes out, buy the product, buy the front end product so then now you will get that good product, and you'll also be able to go out there and make as many videos as you want about the product and you bought it as a customer, and you'll be able to make your money back. Okay. So that's step number one. You're going to go find a product, go sign up as an affiliate, get access, reach out to them, try to get access. If you can't, then just buy the product and then reach out and you'll get approved as an affiliate because you're a customer and you bought it. Okay. So the next thing is that here is one of my channels right over here. You can see Digital Marketing David. We literally only have 800 subscribers right here, 80 videos right here. So just 800 subscribers. This is my channel that I focus on only internet marketing, affiliate marketing, JVZoo Warrior Plus products that I'm going to do full reviews. And that is something that I am not scared to completely unpack the software, do a full review, invest the time, an hour, 30 minutes to an hour of my time. Nobody else is doing this. Everybody else is teaching for you to go out there and create complete crap videos, like to just push button, AI this, AI that, and they're just not helpful. And people don't want to watch a video where someone's not actually showing the software. Look at these 23-minute videos, 13-minute videos, 17-minute videos, 18-minute videos. These are long form videos that I'm not just throwing AI crap together and grabbing the demo video and throwing that in as well. Like that's just, you're not going to build a real business that way. Okay. So that's number one, be different, actually put in the work, and then people will actually reward you for buying the product from you. And I've already proven that by basically look who won the contest right over here against all these powerhouse people that have thousands of email subscribers. I don't. Now I have a couple, I was only emailing 1,300 people. Just going to tell you right there, I actually cut my list to, I'm only emailing 1/3 of my email list. So my total email list is only just like 3,000 subscribers. I cut that in 60% because they weren't opening my emails, and so I was only emailing about 1,000 people, and I only sent a few emails. So the whole strategy is video marketing, and a lot of these guys are over here. They just send emails out to their list, and that's taking the easy way out. Just sending an email. Yeah, you'll make some sales. Obviously, it works, but they have massive email lists, and people wanted to buy from someone that actually isn't scared to unpack this. Okay, so notice right here. We have this one right over here, Clickly AI emails right there. Only 28 views. Notice how low the view count is on these videos as well. And then remember how much money we made. Okay. So we have this one right here. We have this one, Clickly pricing, only 33 views. Look at 9 days, 9 days, 8 days, 8 days ago, 6 days ago, right? So during this launch campaign, I created these 5 videos right here. I'm going to map this out for you. But before we do that, I'm going to show you the whole plan. So stick with me. Here's a really awesome plan right over here, but stick with me because what we're going to do is I'm going to go into an incognito window right over here. We're going to go and type in YouTube, and you want to go into an incognito window because it's going to not have biased results. It's going to just be what's typically ranking for, across the board. And so I'm going to go quickly review. We're going to go like that. And this was extremely competitive. There was probably 100 or 200 videos created on this subject. And people, all these marketers, they're doing all kinds of things and backlinks and the different traffic sources and doing hacks to get high retention on their videos. They're doing all these secret black hat things to rank their videos. So it is very hard to kind of get up there and rank number one during a launch like this, because you're going against people that are willing to do anything to get their video ranked at the top. But you'll be able to see that on one other video right over here, we were able to get 400 views right over here. And this is my main channel that has 20,000 subscribers on it. And we were able to stay within the top 5 pretty much throughout the entire launch, just because of the sheer authority of our channel with 20,000 subscribers. So this one definitely brought in some sales, but my stats and my tracking, which I'm not going to really go over in this video because the video will get too long, but the stats tell me that this video didn't make most of the sales. So you come down here and you finally get this video right here. Okay, so there's one of our videos. We're ranked pretty far down, like ranked 20, 25, way down here. But this video is ranked right there. And then we go over here. So technically during the launch, within the top 10 videos, I had 2 videos ranking for Clickly review. So in total, I made 6 videos total, one on one channel, and then 5 on the other channel I just showed you, right? I want to go like this and say pricing. No one else was willing to go the distance and do this exactly right here. We do have this Clickly pricing explained right here. They only got 1 view, right? My Clickly pricing and OTOs explained. I made just an entire 8-minute video just talking about the funnel, the pricing, and so forth. And that got 33 views. And that actually was very helpful to customers. So we went the distance, we made the content, right? So we have that right there. And then I want to show one more other thing right here. Clip Magic Review. And let's see if we're ranking for Clip Magic Review as well. So we'll come down here and you can see we're basically, this one doesn't count as a sponsored ad. That's a sponsored. So it's 1, 2, 3. So we got 70 views on this one. And we're ranked number 3 for Clip Magic. And then look at Clickly OTO 2 demo right there as well. Okay. So really good stuff. But let me talk to you more in a diagram format of what worked. Okay. So the strategy, we created one video here. We created another video. We created these 5 videos right here as part of the main strategy, right? So we were willing to go the distance, and it was very calculated and specific. We did a warm-up video with the product name just to get, our name out there. And I'm wondering about even right here, when you type in the brand name, the product name is Clickly, and you come down here, you can see top channels for the search term. We are number one authority right here. We're number one authority. And then look at all these other videos we could have made quickly. Tutorial. We did the pricing one right there. Bonus, demo. We did review and we did pricing. And you have all these other ones that you could do as well. Okay. So we did a warm-up video. We got 28 views. We did a pricing video. You saw we ranked number one for that. We got 33 views. And don't let these low views alarm you again. These are very calculated, targeted views that ended up helping me make $3,500 during the launch, which is awesome, right? Review video. We did this one. And what we do is every single one of these videos right here, we actually put this video in the description and link it back to the main video right here. It can help it out. It's a little bit of some kind of a tactic, a ranking tactic. We did get 1.7 thousand views. Most were advertising. I spent $20 on that as kind of a test to see if that would help it rank and so forth. It didn't really help it rank or anything like that. So I don't really recommend you doing that, but that was just a test that I kind of did. And we did browse suggested video right here. So that was the only video that didn't have the search term in it. And it did have a chance to, get hundreds of views. If it would have got picked up by the YouTube algorithm, it would have done much better, but that's okay. We got 29 views right there. And then we did the OTO specific video that I even had customers asking me, hey, are you going to demo OTO too? So I went ahead and got access to that and provided that for my customers and got 70 views right there. So total views was 1860, but probably about 1,400 views right here were advertising. So what we would do is we would take about 1,400 views away. So we just got, all in all, we got about 400 or 500 real views. So let me actually kind of copy and paste that right over here. About 450 real views is what I would say. And those 450 real views, right? And then we had the other 400 views from the Learn Wire channel. So basically 800, we'll just be fair about this. We got about 900 total real views right here across my channels, across the 6 videos and everything, taking out the YouTube advertising. 900 humans went and actually found my videos because they wanted to watch that product review. And what did we end up making? We ended up making $2,600 on the product and $1,000 in prize money. So the total earned was actually about $3,600 was earned during this campaign. All right. So this is the strategy. We made content. We weren't afraid to go out there and make content. I actually worked for this, right? I worked for this, but it actually worked. And if you want to, these are simple videos, just get your hands on the product, go out and make the content, and then get what I really love about this is it takes the pressure off. You don't need a crap load of views in order to start making money with this business. So you can actually, and so during that span of time, I was making $500 a day on average during this launch, right? So again, I highly recommend you click the first link below and come and join the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator so you can learn all the ins and outs, how you can start building a real business that means something that you can look forward to in the future. Hopefully being able to fire that boss, quit that 9-to-5, and have empowerment and flexibility and freedom in your life. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.